As a top producing real estate agent, I want to share a little secret to success in the market: open houses. At the Diana Renee team, we go above and beyond to make your open house an unforgettable experience. We start by strategically placing 180 open house signs, guiding potential buyers right to your doorstep. Inside the property, our property packets provide a ton of valuable information, leaving buyers eager to learn more. Additionally, we take it a step further by creating feature cards highlighting the important and unique features of your home. These feature cards ensure that potential buyers are well informed about the standout elements that make your property truly special. But it doesn't stop there. Our marketing game is strong, with captivating video tours and paid posts on Facebook and Instagram, ensuring your property reaches a vast audience of interested buyers. Ready to sell your home with a team that goes above and beyond? Let's make your real estate dreams a reality together. Reach out today and let's get started.